Hi, welcome to this video. Today we're going to cover 7 key features on LCS 710 lecture captioning system that will definitely give you a hassle-free and intelligent lecture captioning experience. Let's dive in. Still worried about students not being able to follow teacher around the classroom in hybrid learning? No problem with LCS 710. Here comes the teacher. When he starts walking, he's immediately tracked by the teacher's camera with close-up, and close-up stays on him even when the student walking after him. Now, a student was standing up for a question. He was given immediate close-up, but his hand waving or body shaking does not win him any close-up. That way, remote learning students can be happy about their hybrid learning. Failing to do a live streaming to YouTube or Facebook for remote learning? No worries. LCS 710 supports both RTMP and RTMPS protocol. You can go with RTMP for live streaming to YouTube by entering the targeted live streaming destination like this, then you're done. Or you can go with RTMPS live streaming to Facebook in the same way. Not having enough video source channel for immersive learning for remote learning students? No problem. With LCS 710, you have a total of 5 channel video sources at your disposal to create immersive learning experience. You can pick the display layout you want on the device web interface, like this, or you can do it right on the video station in the same way. It really creates immersive and enriched learning experience. Is it like driving you crazy when you fail to pair up your camera with your video station for hours of configuration and still doesn't work? No worries. With pre-configured VLAN in the device, you can just hook up camera with the video station using an Ethernet cable and you're done. No extra wiring and power connection is needed. And here we go, the camera is successfully paired up with the video station and getting image from the 2 cameras. It is just plug and play. Getting caught up in the traffic jam and having to rush to hybrid class that will live stream to the thousands of global audience? Well, automation schedules. With it, you can plan recording live streaming time on the device web interface like this. Now, here we go, the video station starts live streaming at exact time you have set up, then starts recording automatically according to your schedule. Also, if you want a video station to turn on or off automatically, we can plan automation schedule for them in the same way. Alright, now the device turns on automatically, then turns off by itself according to your schedule. Is there any way to personalize your live stream recording by putting something on it for ownership or for a better visual effect and promotion? Yes, on LCS 710, you can add many things to it. Want a logo? Put a logo you like on a screen to claim your ownership. Need a title and subtitle? Set a title and subtitle and defining their colors and fonts and so on. Feel like adding beginning page and ending page? Just upload pages you want to make it look more organized and professional. Okay, we are gonna wrap up with the device OTA upgrade. With simple tab, you can always get your device firmware updated to the latest version, so you can always keep up to date with newest features at your fingertip.